Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to show you how you can change the theme color or color theme in your Opera browser in 2026. So let us dive into this. Alright guys, so launch the Opera browser on your desktop computer or laptop and next navigate to the browser settings through these three lines in the top right and by clicking into go to full browser settings. In the next step, navigate to appearance here on the left sidebar and click into theme gallery to choose a theme for your browser. I will go with this one here, classic, but you can go with any of these below. Some of them may feature animations or a background sound, so due to copyright reasons I'm not going to preview any of these, but I will go with the classic one. And after that, Opera will give you the opportunity to switch between light and dark mode and also to choose a color here to the right by using that handle. So you may move it from calm to warm to vibrant, cool, and yeah, that way find the color you would like to use. And you will see the background color here for these menus and sidebars, etc. for the entire interface. Change the color accordingly. To confirm that, click into set theme here. And after that, as you can see, the color theme including the color here will be applied with the wallpaper. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.